is stopping by, and today, as the title does not say, I don't know even what the title is gonna be. So it's 12:30 today, like 12 o'clock right now, and I am deep cleaning my room because it was very bad, and my father's friends are coming. So I'll show you. My scale got stuck in here, so we shifted the desk forward, and finally this area is also cleaned. Wow. Okay, now let's move it. So now I'm having my muesli bowl with curd, sugar, apples, and muesli. Let's try this. Okay, so we shifted our keyboard from here to there because my sister has a problem opening her cupboard. So I've changed my room with the map is there now instead of my table, and I'm cleaning all of this. I can't show you this for privacy. Okay, so my room is all done. Look at this. Just some final touches are left, and rest everything is so clean. Now I will go greet the guests, and then I will do my homework. Map here so that I can see this every day where Germany is. Okay guys, so my father's friend just came and he gave me sapphire almond chocolate. I love almond chocolate. It's so damn yummy. I might taste them today, and I have to do my homework because I haven't even touched my book since Friday. I'm gonna do all the necessary homework and leave the rest because I have a 1 week break. The shut up break. We're gonna party, do challenges, go to my nanny's. Yes, so actually my mamas are getting their own houses now. They used to live together. Now they're separating houses. So there is puja and everything at their house. So on the 15th and 16th of October, I will be going to their house in Aligarh. You will be meeting my aunt, my brother, everybody. So I'll show you guys my father's friends. So I ate a lot of sweets and today also, but still I want to have this cone. I want to try this. How much is this cone for? I don't know. Pop it cone. Okay, let's try. Let's open it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's so tough. It's so tough. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Okay, so there's something inside the cone because, yeah, obviously. Look at. Let me taste. Pretty good. Basically, it tastes like a cream biscuit with crispy things inside. Pretty good. There is somebody at the gate. Let's see who it is. So the gas person just came for the gas bill. I'm a bit tired. I don't know why. Feeling tired. Now I will do my homework and sleep. What? I literally have gone mad. I will complete my work which I think is necessary, and then I'll go down. Okay, now I'm ready. I'm wearing pants, shirt. This shirt I wore in my first ever video. Go check it out. Vlog number 1, which was Father's Day. Got my blue bottle, my blue shirt, my blue pants, and let's go. I really miss AMIGO and I want to meet him. So I'm gonna go tonight and meet him with you guys. And right now we're going to meet ZOEY and Ozzy and Ovi and other dogs. What is he doing? What is she doing?
Did you like that? No.
Okay, so now I'm going to ZOEY and Mix. Most probably Amigo will not be there, okay? Because usually, like these days, he's not coming down in the evening. And at night, I went, but he wasn't there. So, guys, I'm not sure, but let's hope for the best. If Amigo isn't there, we'll meet ZOEY again. I am happy because Monday and Tuesday I have school, then I have a week of holidays and a lot of stuff. I'll tell you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Now it has started to become cold at night, but it's normal during the day. It's not so hot though. Oh my gosh, Amigo's there.
You're so cute.
Now listen. Here.
They said.
Sit.
Look at this. Look at Amigo, you really drool.
Okay guys, so I hope you saw the sneak peek. I couldn't like record all of it because it was night time and it wasn't getting recorded so well. So thank you all for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And tomorrow I'm gonna tell you all my plans after the Shara break. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Ring the notification bell and be ready 9 AM tomorrow. Bye.